Okay, what up? What up? Welcome to another great review of tea, Ceylon tea. How are you doing all around the world, tea lovers? Well, today I have come up with another great tea product, and I'm gonna show you how I'm going to order another one of my favorite tea from CeylonTeaBrew.com here. Alright, now what is this particular tea? This tea is from the company called Dilmah. It's one of the reputed company in Sri Lanka that they product um, are really highly royal. And here on the left side, on the browse category side, you're gonna need to click on Dilmah Gourmet Leaf Tea, and under that there's another category called Gourmet Leaf Tea in Kandy. They have 38 items in this category. All right, it's gonna pull up all the uh, tea products. This is a special tea series, and all the products are in caddies, and they all have different flavors. All right, now what is the tea that I'm gonna order? It's called Prince of Kandy Leaf Tea. Looks like it is very famous. It has a 5-star review. Let's pull this up. All right, this is the tea that I'm gonna order. It's a Dilmah product, Prince of Kandy. It's a gourmet leaf tea, and it has 100 grams of net. Okay, this particular tea is a great one. This is the second time that I'm gonna order. I already have tried this tea. I'm telling you, it's really nice, and looks it has a great aroma and very delicious and so on. So what does the short description say? This tea is high ground Ceylon Single Regional Tea. It's a beautiful golden brew. The tea format is gourmet leaf tea, and it weighs 100 grams in net. All right, now they have 10 products in stock. I think they have more than that. And the bulk deal is if you buy 2 or more, they give you more discounts. For 2 products, they give you $1 discount. If you buy 3 to 9, and you get more discounts, it's a very great deal. And if you want to share, you can share this product with someone who really cares about these products. And let's go to the description section. It is a black tea. Again, they have been grown in fresh gardens and single origin pure Ceylon tea. It is a loose leaf black tea. It expires after 2025. Very fresh. All right. Drinking this black tea has a lot of health benefits. It prevents a heart attack, and it has a lot of antioxidants properties that prevents you from being sick, from viruses. They will protect you. I have known that a lot of Japanese, Chinese, and Europe people would love tea. All right, now let's go ahead and add this to cart. It's added to cart. Let's view the cart. If you would like to, you can increase the quantity in your cart just like this, and click update. In this case, I'm not going to order 2, and right, they give you free shipping option, but mind you, for free shipping the tracking number is not available, but it's still free, but it's gonna get you to the destination safely, no problem with that. I have ordered with free shipping, it's no problem. But if you really want to know the location of the product where after ordering, you really need to click this option. It gives you tracking number. It's just a small $1.75, and it's really worth. All right, now this time I'm gonna click on this option, and the subtotal is $16.75. It's a great price for this great tea. All right, let's proceed to checkout. Again, as usual, it gives you the billing details filling option. You can put your name and last name and select the country that you are going to order, and put on the city name or the state. The county is optional, no problem if you don't have that information, but you must provide the postcode or zip code. Phone number is optional, but I really highly recommend putting this your phone number, just in case your courier or postman needs to leave a message, just in case he's not available, not able to deliver this item. They will contact you, but it's not compulsory. You must provide your email address. And this section you can use this section to give you a particular message to the seller. And on the right side, the clear price is mentioned here. The free shipping option with no tracking is the default selected one, and registered with tracking option is $1.50. And they give you faster shipping option as well with tracking. It is $9. Okay, in this case I'm gonna use the registered with tracking. And also they give you two payment options, credit card or Visa debit card. You can use either credit card or PayPal. And if you have a PayPal account, you can use your PayPal account. Just log on to your PayPal account, and all you have to do is just pay now. It's very simple. Okay, now I'm going to complete the ordering this, and after filling this information, I'm gonna get a verification email from CeylonTeaBrew.com, and all I have to do is wait for a few days or a couple of weeks, depending on the destination country. Usually United Kingdom. For United Kingdom, the parcels delivers very fast, around 7 to 10 days. Okay, now as soon as I receive my order, I'm gonna show you the product and how to make a simple tea. Yeah, and that's it. And I'll show you. I'll see you in next step. Hi everyone. Today I just received the package, the one I ordered a few days ago. And here is the tea that I received. It came really fast, and I'm going to open it up. Okay, here is the tea. It has been safely packed with bubble wrapping. Let me unwrap. Wow, this is great. This one is called Prince of Kandy Gourmet Leaf Tea, and this candy has 100 grams net grams, and this is a beautiful packing. It's a metal candy. Okay, and this has expiration date of 2024, so this is really fresh. Okay, now I'm going to I already made the tea of it. Okay, now I'm going to pour some tea with, made from this black tea. Okay. It smells really great. Okay. This one is really great cup of tea, and it smells very fresh. It has a nice aroma, and I really enjoy this tea for months. I highly recommend trying this tea out to everyone. So yeah, this is it. I'll get another video just like this in the coming days. And thank you for watching.